Yo, skip to too slimy. Fries.
Is the 2026 Underground Sound Cypher.
Why I'm hearing Jason beef fell out his pants. No, I heard about that too, bro. Captain Swag, let's go, let's go. Swag. Woo. Swagger. Skip to Reem Knox Park. What? You're the type to what? What is that line? You can talk about some. You're the type to get groomed on Roblox. What the hell? He's talking to you, Rory. He's not talking to me, bro. Stop playing with me. Swag. Like he been 10. Why these niggas flexing shit that a nigga been out me, nigga? I don't think there's no way. I'm so high, I went to Chick-fil-A on a Sunday. Bitch talk crazy, block a hole like Robin, listen to Rory, okay. Hey, at least he listens to me, man. Hey, I'll take it. Look at two slimy's ass. Yo, chat, am I bugging or is this quiet, bro? Hold on. Hold on, this beat though. Hold on. Don't make it out of this shit ass. Okay. Nah, this beat is hard. Yo, give me this beat they're saying. Nah, this beat is hard. What the hell is this guy? Laid. I saw this part on Kuda stream. He sounded hard. Got a young nigga mad, she still with the game, boy. She said you a plug. If you saying it's up, it's stuck. Now these niggas mad at us. I stay out the way, I'm counting my hundreds, confused, I'm running it up. Just pop me a 10, I'm about to get turned. Better go up in the function. Talking like hoes, a young nigga home, shit, it really ain't nothing. Love my hoe so much, I can't even choose. So I looks like Marty. Nah, it's just the hair, bro. I'm picking and choosing, I do what I want. Girl, I know I'm wrong. I'm picking that money before I choose you, cause we ain't lasting long. Bad bitch give me head, little bit gon' do what I said. All this shit I got cost me a leg. What's your hoe and I'm rocking the bed. Play with me, I'ma feel you. Hashtag Adion. All these bitches they know I'm the man. All these bitches they know I'm the man. Marty way sexier. Wow. Bitch on me a breast, yeah. Bitch I'm kinda chest. Whoa, I'ma pull the legs, like hit money spread, yo. J. Claude, hold on. We got clientele, putting them through hell, like where's now, bitch I put my nail up, I go out the rail, choke chain, bitch, choke chain, bitch, choke chain, bitch, bitch I'm still the same, bitch, but I'm paying this, I got 2 chains, bitch, I get paid, I can't like a lame nigga, fuck a lame nigga, punny face, to make that fucking money music, I caught a plug, bitch I'm getting buckets, nigga, it's just my done, Rick on boot, yeah, stepping on the tune, chopper go like bang, bitch, chopper bang, bitch, nah, this is dead as a J clone. This is dead as a J clone. The B is me off. Nah, this is dead as a J clone. Who's this guy? But my card same. I stop put on chain. I don't even know her name. None to fame. I know my pain. I same with all my hoes. I stayed in my lane. Time I read my jeans. Hellcat got no keys. I'm losing my speech. I'm having weed. I go through the weeds. I'm still pulling weeds.
Yo, Rez, can you make that bus call? I got banned on YouTube. What?
I'm going overseas. Celine is double G.
Yo, try DM me off stream, bro. I'll see if I can help out, bro. Deadass.
My bitch the same. But my car the same. But stop put on chain. I don't even know her name. Went from none to fame. Back out on my pain. Same with all my
You just gotta try appeal or something, bro. Or like contact YouTube support or Twitter.
Hellcat got no key. I'm losing my speech.
Hey man, this one's smooth, bro. Can't even do nothing. I got a strike a couple days ago and I got banned last night. That is so weird. What the hell? Jeez. I remember I got my first strike after like insane amount of years. That scared me, bro. I got a warning right now. This is trash. I must achieve his free forms, holy sh. Oh my god. This tough in America, question mark. I don't know. It must be. It's not tough over here, that's for sure. Couldn't even bring Rxzz. Yeah, like, come on. Said everywhere. What is that even supposed to mean? Hold on. I'm up to motherfucker tree like a pendle. I'm not a nigga, gon' play like a random. Light to him, bumpin' they fire at 10. If that shit not a con, it answer. She wanna touch when I buy me that handsome. I send me nigga like Toddy BS. You don't do shit for G-Dog going crazy, oh shit. Haha. Should've went motherfucker honey wrist. Stand my tone like Papa on them. For they know they surprise you a bitch. Nigga got fist now, hoe getting Kenny. I'm a little tris putting lines of tris. They got sign for that deal. They got sign for that deal. J ran like a bill. Then nigga net like the deal. Then nigga tell that still taking years in the seal. Nigga not say I was in here. Then nigga pay for that hand job, bitch no will. I'm not set by mommy. I'm not set by mommy like. I'm not set by mommy. Tryna bounce some shit like Kevin and Kill. And that patch the mill. Nah, this isn't bad, but it's not for me, fam. That guy reminds me of when I first listened to Xavier Soul Bass. Yes! Yes! Hey, yo, whatever you said, bro. Isn't that good? No, it's not good at all. It's not good at all. Are you crazy? Oh, my soul is not good. I hate that. Go black is Halloween, grab F and then my shooter purse. She too tight for G19, put a lapel inside her purse. Ain't got a none that little boy scared to shoot. I tell her go to church, try what I want, fuck what I like, bitch. I got rich off words. Yeah, I'm gonna make that pull out 10, bitch. About to give me Kirk. Yeah, popping it. Okay. Bitch, I'm fried, my eyes wild like dirt like yeah. I got a bitch. He sounds just like Ian. Ralphie or Ralphie going crazy right now. Okay.
Who's this guy, eh?
Saw the devil in Minneapolis, that bitch, she steady grinning. I just rolled a joint and twisted like my fucking dreads are thinning. I'm a mogul, I invest in women, proxy next to Finnet. Feel like I'm the best up in my fucking class, yeah, I admit it. I'm so hungry, stomach spinning, my music bumping.
This is my underground, bro.
Like the ocean tides are shifting, no, it's my time, I've been sprinting.
Yeah, I don't know. I was gonna say some corny shit like this is bedrock. Christ. Don't know how I even thought of that shit.
Bitch on my dick, on my mama, I might slap a bitch. Bitch on the knees. Calm capping, I could teach you how to joke, but joking niggas is a passion. 20/20 vision, as a kid I wanted glasses. Niggas is not eating, might be fasting. I don't want the beat without the four step and the clapping. Tricks off the kids like the motherfucking rabbit. If I see some money, gotta grab it. The speaker knocking, told them niggas turn the speakers up. Getting chicken like some Popeyes, I'm a piece.
Be switched up, yo. I said anyone's making music now, man. Right.
Back in high school, I had bankroll in the bleachers.
Let's get ready for the bass. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, that hurt my ears, fam. Yo, what the f? Bro, what was that, bro? Oh my days, what a great way to end the cypher. Oh my life, never again, man, never again. Honestly, what a cypher.